All right, Sam, you're up. Same thing. Take it back the same distance that you're going to go through with it, and that'll help you work with your speed. Well done.
There.
Happens to the best of us. We've seen Jordan Spieth do it. It's good distance though. So that's what we're looking for. You can see how it ended up right there next to the hole. It's just good. It really lets you know what the distance and what the speed is going to be like here on the green. So Ryan, you want to step up and give it a whirl? Yeah, you can move it away from that tee if you need to. Nice.
Yeah. So this game we're about to show you is called 21. So you pick two kind of challenging holes on the green. So we'll go with this one and that one. And for this game, our objective is to work on our speed and distance and direction. So with that, we're gonna play as a team. So everyone would have one ball, and they'd putt it. And so if you get yours closest to the hole, you get a certain amount of points. If you made it, you get more. And then if you lipped out, you also get a certain amount of points. With that, it kind of helps you work on the speed and your kind of direction you want to hit at the hole, because we played at 21, so if you go over, you bust. If you go over that, so some putts you kind of want to hit so you're just closest, some you want to make, some you want to whip out. So it kind of works on your speed and feel on the green.
Keep filming while editing it out. All right, and so another way to really make 21 interesting, give you that competitive edge, and to really work on what we talked about today in the lesson, we're going to make it to where the only way that you're going to be able to earn points is if it's a 2-putt. So if you blow it 10 feet by and can't make your putt coming back, you're not going to get any of the points you think you may have earned. So that's why we're saying work on your distance and work on your speed so that you can leave it right by the hole or make it, and that way you can just step up and it can hopefully be a tap in and you'll earn the points that we think that you've gotten for the game.
That's probably a little high, so let's put it more towards the middle. Yeah, let's get upright so it bounces off the turf instead of getting into it. Right, hit that weight a little more forward. Yep. And just kind of more like a cutting So this next part we're going to talk about pitching. So the goal of pitching is to fly further than it rolls out. So if it rolls out more, then it's more like a chip. There's three kind of shots or windows you could play with a pitch. There's a window one, which is a little lower, so it's going to kind of come off the face a little lower and stop. You got a mid-flight, which is your window two, and then you got your window 3, which should come off the face and kind of stop like that. kind of go over that. For a window 1 shot, you want to keep it more back in your stance. You don't want the club kind of releasing past like your knee. For your window 2, you kind of want the club to release a little higher, probably up past your waist. And then for a window 3, you'd probably want the highest release point. So I'll do I'll try window 2 or 1 through 3 here to try to show you. And you kind of want the same stance. For window 1, you want the weight a little more forward, keep it lower, and then kind of progressively back for all the other windows. So for this one, I'm just going to take a little. So it's a little lower. It's going to carry a little further. This is kind of a tough pin because it's so close. If we're going to the further one, maybe we try to window 2 a little higher. See how it's a little higher there. And then the window 3 would be the highest, so we play it a little further up in our stance. Maybe pick the further target and just Okay, so now we're going to go over drivers. A couple important things with driver is it's obviously the longest club in your bag, so it's going to be a little harder to hit consistently. With setup purposes, we want to keep the setup of the tee to the front of your stance. So for this, you could use 2 clubs or 2 alignment sticks. Make sure the ball's in the front of your stance. When we set up to it, we also want to kind of keep more of our weight on the backside, so we're allowing ourselves to hit up on the ball. That's going to be key to kind of getting the most out of your drive.